Welcome to Excellence in Excel, and in this video we're going to focus on Google Sheets, how you can use the day function in Google Sheets. So the day function just does one thing, and it's also very straightforward. It will extract the data based on the date that we have, and it will show you just a number. So what we want to do is just imagine you have a date and you only want the number of that date, meaning here in our situation on Monday, August the 13th, 2018, what we really want is only the number 13. So how do you extract that data? Well, very simple. What you do is you use the function day. So let's select here, and then we type in here equal, and we type in day, and then open parentheses, and then you can see here what it does. Summary, the day of the months, it returns the day of the months that a specific date falls on in numeric format. So just numbers. Alright, so let's close that away, put that away, and then we just select on our date. Once we click this, here, enter, and you can see instantly this is the 13th, which was already clear here, but this is very nice, so we can get the data quickly. And that's how you use the day function in Google Sheets.